Can I limit who can see posts I am tagged in on Facebook? In this video, we'll show you step by step how to manage your tagged content and maintain your privacy. For this, go and open Facebook app on your phone. Then click on profile icon at bottom right corner. Next, click on settings at the top. Scroll down and then click on profile and tagging options as shown here. Under tagging and implied mentions, simply select friends in, who can see posts you are tagged in on your profile. Now, only friends can tag you in Facebook posts. Also under reviewing, toggle on review tags people add to your posts before the tags appear on Facebook. Now, if someone tags you, it will not directly appear on your profile. You will need to review the tag and choose to either approve or decline it. Also make this second option to friend only. In this way, you can limit your tagged posts to friends only on Facebook. If you prefer, you can choose another option as well, but for me, the friends option seems to be fine. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.